And welcome back to my channel. So you are about to learn how to build a professional MLOps environment in Windows. So we are going to combine cloud tools, containers, automation, and Python into one powerful system. By end of this session, you won't just understand MLOps. You will be ready to use what, let's say, real projects are using, and let's go to this journey. So before that, I need something for you. What I need is just like the video, subscribe into my channel, and just comment and write a comments in for this comment for this video. That's it. That's it. What I need. Okay, let's go dive into the slides. So here, what we will build. So you are building here, we will build complete enterprise level machine learning workflow. This is only how to set up your system. Before going dive into the Azure ML and DevOps. And by the way, I would like to be sure that you up next video you will try to install you will try to register in MLOps. So let me just show you here. This is the MLOps, and I have already made a video last in the last course. So I will just put the link in the description below. And what I need is just you have account. Either you have it as a free account with 200 credit from Microsoft, so you don't have to pay anything. But if you already have this, let's say, free account, you have to create another account, or maybe just you have to go to pay as you go. So for instance, for me, I'm just paying for this course. So either you have to, if it's possible for you to to create a free account. If not, you have to create a pay to go. And also, if you create this, for instance, this account, let's say I'm creating this account with my email, with my credential. Now, for the DevOps, also you need to create another. You don't need to create another account, sorry, but use the old the username and password that created Azure ML to create as DevOps. So we will try to see, let's see, connect our PC, your PC, your personal PC or notebook, and connect it to the DevOps. And from DevOps, we can connect to the Azure, and we did our our training, our inference, our monitoring, and everything will be inside all of these threes. And I think that's it. And but please make sure that you will install this stuff. I mean, you will register in this stuff. I will put the link description is step by step how to register or how to create account in Azure ML. So because it takes much time and it's already done, so I don't need to repeat the stuff. So, and in this course, we will see how to create Azure ML, and will try now to install the Azure ML CLI commands in our in our PC, in our local PC. That's it's like a channel connection between our PC and the Azure ML, and we will try to see how to install Docker and Kubernetes. We will try to install how to install Python using Pyenv and Butrig. This is I will recommend you to use Pyenv and Butrig. If you have another Python dependency management like Anaconda or UV, it's up to you. At least I'm just make sure that you can follow our stuff in the next coming videos, and we will see how to create. This is it's already if you create account, you have to create account for a DevOps that I have shown you here. This is we will create pipelines here to do the training, the inference, and everything. And also we will see how to what are the main let's see packages that will be able to track our experiments. Let's see, we have uh, we have training our model, and we have to make sure that we have the track the parameters, the model, and everything, and also versioning, so that the next one, let's say the if you have any bug, and you can reproduce the result, and also the security and monitoring. And I'm just let's see, I'm guessing that all this process will take you 60 minutes. So try to install all, I mean, I will just show you what you have to install, and also I provide the links, the commands line and everything you need. So you don't need to go and look in any channels, because for me it was really tough in the beginning to install all this and how to make it working for the first time. It was a big let's see journey, I would say. And what we need here is, this is a complete solution architecture. You need I just divided into three categories. Development environment, we need Python 3.11. You need also a Git, but please make sure that you have installed the Git version. And also for the IDE, I'm using Visual Studio Code. If you use any other, let's see, like PyCharm or any other editor, it's up to you. So just make sure that you install everything. And for the Windows, we will use only Windows in this. So no Linux, no CLI, WSL, and I would say no headache. So let's just stick with this Windows terminal. We like PowerShell, and for the containerization, of course you need a Docker desktop, you need a Kubernetes cluster, and also you need a Minikube that will try to create cluster and interact with the cluster Kubernetes clusters. And for the cloud MLOps platform, sorry, let me just answer this call. Yeah, okay. And we said the Cloud MLOps platform, which is Azure ML, which is this website here. You have to register, as we said, and also the DevOps. MLflow will be installed with Python and Keyboard as well, and also app insights, so that to monitoring our model. Is there any data drift? Is there any model drift? Is there any issue? Let's see in our, let's see, time or latency and everything. And let's see here a prerequisite. So I'm trying to use Windows 11. I'm not quite sure if it's there still 10, but it will be ended, I think, this year. And try to have a RAM 4. I mean, I'm just using 8, but this is, let's see, to get to have a good running time, let's see. And also you need to administration privilege. So it's, let's see, needed to have to create, let's see, files to create to access, let's see, the Azure ML, and also adding some experiments, adding some. So if you are using the Azure ML, this one here account in your company, I think you will not have, let's say, the permission to create any resource from this. So the best way is to have, let's say, a private account, and just to be to follow. I'm not quite sure because in the companies they won't give you, let's say, a permission to create many, let's say, machine learning workspace or Kubernetes or so, because it costs much time. I mean, a lot. And also we are not, let's see, considering WSL or Linux, and I'm not using Anaconda. Maybe Anaconda as a file. I will try to, let's see, to push for the, if we would like to create a environment in our workspace. And I will show you everything in a more detail. Just stick with this plan, and you will create a good project, and improve, of course, improve your CV. And we have said that we need Azure account, Azure subscription, and DevOps. This is clear. And as I said in the beginning, this will take you 60 minutes to install all everything here. So let's see this CLI. So sorry. So Azure CLI is your command line, let's say command center, to talk with the cloud. So say, let's say we need somehow to create, is the mouse. So we need to create a machine learning workspace. So instead of going to the website and creating this with this website, let's say, we can do this uh, via CLI command line, and I will show you how to do this without any issues. And I have also gave it the link to install the Azure CLI. You just need to copy this line, and put it here, and this will install. Download the CLI. You can see here CLI version because I have audited. And once you finish, just try to install it. I mean, there's no, let's see, magic. It's just normal installation. And after that, you need to check if you have access. Let's see, for instance, after that you can see no, before this, PowerShell. And make sure that sometimes you need permission, sometimes not, but make sure that you run administrator. You run this as administrator. So for instance, when I say uh, easy, just like this, easy, and it should give you some outputs. If not, if it's not defined, something is wrong with your site. It takes much time. Yeah, so now you can see here it is printing Azure and give you this. So after the installation, just try to add this AZ and in the terminal, and it should work. And regarding the installation, we will see how to install this next time, but you can also install this. It's just adding extension, adding the machine learning extension to the Azure. And why he is like sometimes you need to make okay. Are you, let's say, accepting this, or should we continue? This will save you time from asking. So this will install the machine learning extension, and if you would like to update, you can use your update. So let me just update. Okay, I have to copy this, and let's see update. So if it's already there, it will try to update it. If not, it will give you some error. Because here, let's just latest version of MLA is already installed. So, and also you need to add this Azure DevOps. We will see how to do it, but you can do it. And because I'm using the for the DevOps, I haven't used let's see the CLI. But in case you would like to use, for instance, creating pipelines, for instance, creating pipelines, running pipelines and everything, you can just use the CLI DevOps. And to verification, you can just see version. Just type this easy version, and it will give you what is the version in your site. And also this is the CLI and the DevOps. This when you install the Azure CLI, you have to verify with this. If it's not working with you, please write a comment down and write a comment, and I will have a look. I read every comment. So if you have any issues in this, just try to write it down. For the log, so let's say you have account. Sorry, yeah. So you have account, Azure account. Okay. Sorry. So you have account here, right? And you would like now to get access between CLI command line into this. So what you have to do is you have to add easy login. Let me just clear this. Clear, clear. Oh. So easy login. Ah, log, not log, easy log in. So this will try to open a connection, you can see here, and this will, for instance, you have to select your account, select. Now it will let you see what is the email. Let's see, deep dot at g. So this p is correct. pp. I forgot the password. Okay, cool. So it's working. Oh, select the subscription. No change. So you can see now I have access to the. So now if I write a command to create a ZOML, it will try to create this in this website. Let's see. And let's move to the thing Docker. And Docker, it lets you, let's see, package your ML code into a containers, which will be a portable, repeatable environment. And no more it works on my machine, but it's not working in your machine. So if it's working in your machine and you Dockerize this, it should work in my machine as well. And we will also turn on the Kubernetes, and I will show you just see. So you have to download this. Just copy this link and try to download it because I have already downloaded here. Let's see, Docker is the so is the Docker machine. Let me just move it this here. Docker is starting. Yeah, and to install, you need to install the mini alternative. And with this maybe I just give you the direct link that you can install the you have to the machine and see finish. Let's see, this is so I have seen here I have seen local machine and I mean we didn't need WSL, but here is a general, and you can see here source code. This we have programs, and this is to install menu. But for instance, you cube after that you can just see it. See it. There's no but this is really first if I have if I would like to try. But you see here start and to try to push, let's see, pull the latest image, the cube, and this in the beginning this will take somehow few minutes. So so this is the cube and do and kubectl. Yeah, this kubectl, and this is the most important stuff here. It's Pyenv. I'm trying to use Pyenv. Why I'm trying to use Pyenv? Because I can install multiple Python pages and to try to make it a clean environment scene. So as you are working on project is old and only working with Python 3.8. But you need, let's say, to install Python with let's say 3.7. And in this case, it's hard to manage this stuff because you can use this is much let's see effective. You just need to install Pyenv. I've also write this as a command. Just copy this command line, install to install everything, and you need to add that in your PC. So this Pyenv install your users and username. I'm not quite sure what is your name, and we'll see it here. Let's see we can exactly. Let's see here user and you can see here cube. This is cube with here's Pyenv, and you need to add this path in your environment. Let me just show you how to find the environment. Right click here, right in this is PC, right click here, properties, and it will show you this system environment example, and you can go to the path and to add this. Then for instance, here you have both, and that's it. For the IF, of course you can add it. Let's see, you can see it here. This environment, maybe edit environment for account, so you can add it from as well. Okay, let's back to this. Okay, and after the installation, you know that you think if you install this, you need to see here Pyenv version, to show version of Pyenv, and this you need to install version 11. So what is to do is just type. If you like to buy 3.12, just use this. If you'd like to 3.10, you can just do this. It's so easy. Here you see the verification versions. Let's see. Let's forward it the command. Yeah. So you can just buy and this, and this will show you what are the package, the Python versions that is stored in PC. So it's I have this, I have this, and I have 3.9. And as selected, this is equal. If you open any Python, if you use any Python, it will be pointing to 3.9. How to change this? You can just change it to with this Pyenv 3.0. See, it's very easy. The first, if you open now, let's see, PowerShell, and if you open now Python, it's 3.11, right? And if you just change it here, okay, Pyenv global 9.0, and let's see if it's using 3.9. Yeah, it's 0.9. So, and sometimes you see the 3.9 as a default, 3.8 as a default. For your project, you may make a specific how to. You can local, you can use global, but we will see to do this in coming videos. You need to open directory. When you need the directory, just use local and that you would like to use, and it will create a file page. Now this is how to install by Python. Now we need to install the Qt. So as I said at the beginning, dependency the several frameworks. It's Aquada, which is most popular, and also UV, which is new. I can use Qt because it's let's see, light to system, and I've been using it for a long time, but I know how to handle issues. And if you have issue with this Qt, just below I will. The bats have, and what you see text and it will like different and what is this beauty? I mean, folks like to create with beauty changes, and if you add any package, just add numpy, beauty, add MLflow, beauty, add and this how to add to read beauty by to remove MLflow and etc. To active environment, you use beauty shell. To if you would like to with beauty, you can use the file Python and Python. You can just the same let's see environment, and this for you the densities of all for each you have dependencies. See dependency with the number version 1.12.5 for instance, and the other instance as we on version 15 to point. So this is the difference, but this is the advantage of using Python. Let's just jump in. So now to add, if, I'm not quite sure you can touch the Python is sticky too. By the way, I have also a course. I think it's let me just see here, which is give you the very beginning to this. So it's here playlist, and okay, wait, I think this one here, and you have the videos here how to install in Azure, how to what's this explain the, let's say, the component of this Azure ML, for instance, this one here, and it has, let's say, several stuff. If you like, you can start with this, because this would be, let's say, more advanced. This course here, not more advanced, because of course I will use the same command, the same stuff. Maybe somehow, if you have, let's say, issue, I have also mentioned here what are the issues that will face in your stuff, and try to give you how to solve this. And of course, we will go through this course and show you everything from, not from scratch, but what you need for the MLOps, or for the project you will use. And also the, this is SDK, for instance. Here I have seen, let's see, positional. Using yeah, let's see how to as a search account with the. I have tried to show you how to create not any resource, but most with 4 steps, either manually from here or C or Python ST, and the fourth one is using DevOps. And of course, we see this in very detail. And this here, for instance, MLflow library installation only for Python, and I will already created a project, empty project indeed, which is like this. You can just see. Of course, I will publish this with you. I mean, we'll show this. So, for instance, you have industrial anomaly detection, MLOps, and instance data, and you can see development, the deployment. Everything is clean. I mean, zero, zero. I mean, you can see it. And all of this we will do together. And I'm not quite sure. End of this code will create. I mean, you follow this, but after that, you can create your project confidently. And here, for instance, the file we will try to use Docker for inference and tree, and testing load, of course, and monitoring, and everything will in this pipeline. And this is see the initial structure. This might change, I don't know. So, but we will just try to test with this. And here it is already published the package. Let's see the repo. And if you would like to share, I mean, to participate in making this big, let's see, please, welcome. You are welcome. And the application site, yeah, let me just forget to show you. Since this is the top one, and it has for the say download the Anu, let's see, Anu detect, which is in a Git repo, and they have did some changes to make it, let's see, faster, and also we can convert our model into Onyx model. So because the original one, it's not uh, it's not easy to, let's say, to convert models. And if you see here, that's just the changes I have made, and this is their code, and this is my code. It's just a few changes, but it makes, let's see, a big difference. And this also is key. I have for ML funding. So I just make sure that you will try to go with by step, and you will create a big project that, or maybe open. And after that, after installation, everything, if this application is, if you reach to this point here and expected, for instance, let's just say Python, I mean, let's say Putri version, you can see it should give you a version. If not, there's a error in this. After installation, let me show you how to install this. Just copy this command and put it here, and it gives you the installed latest version. But when you install this, you have ads as well in the environment files. So you change name to your name and add this as environment. For instance, like this, you can see here. When you see path here, Python. That's you need to do for the beauty and Pyenv. Uh, and please have to make sure that everything is installed correctly. And regarding the MLOps, for instance, as sticky, this is fine with. But I have this in as profile. Sorry. And for the next, we are ready for MLOps project. For next, this was done in 2 days, but let's see, change every time, and it's really trouble and to make some stuffy like this. And what yeah, this module one, I will try to create work and to compare how to use computers, which data which you need to use and connect the works page profile. And module two, which is line training, MLflow, and model registering FCE. Which project is this one? Sorry. And if you see in my project, I have also okay, maybe it's in the Jupyter notebook. Yeah, right. So, for instance, I have the own convert the model for anomaly detection, which of course I will explain what it is in next videos. And convert to actually MLflow, and you can see in the MLflow see how many, let's see, you have done your stuff. For instance, here you can see many the artifacts. Let's see, and you can run this. So I mean, this I have run it times, and I know how. That's just to make sure that what are the experiments. But let me just see. We will see this in a more detail next time. But let's just finish this one, and the next module will be, I mean, the third module will contain a development, Kubernetes class setup, CI/CD pipeline, and also monitor. So this will be in this, and please sure that you follow everything. Sometimes I mentioned more important. Let's see, this lesson it's really important to watch and make sure that you think correctly. And as I said, let's say last time, what I need from you is just watch your live video, subscribe to my channel, and comment to this video. And if you have any issue in this video, please just drop it down in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you.